Hello, my name is Greg Jew with Keysight Technologies here at European Microwave, Madrid, Spain. So today we're showing a very wide bandwidth mmWave testbed for emerging mmWave applications. So the testbed consists of our M8195. This is being used to generate a wideband IF signal centered at 4 GHz, also with 4 GHz of bandwidth. The M8195 has differential output, so we're using the inverting output to run into a new M8131 digitizer. This is digitizing the IF, and you can see that the constellation on our 4 GHz IF is very clean. We have an EVM of about 1.07%. So this is the starting point before we upconvert to mmWave. We're taking the non-inverting output of the M8195, and that is being run into this compact VDI upconverter, which is upconverting to 61.5 GHz using our PSG as an LO. So at the output, we have 61.5 GHz coming out. It is amplified, filtered, and then transmitted over the air using a horn antenna. On the receive side, we have a horn antenna, and the signal is then fed into our new 110 GHz UXR real-time oscilloscope. So this is directly digitizing the 61.5 GHz signal. It has a sample rate of 256 gigasample per second with 10 bits of vertical resolution. Once the signal has been digitized, we're post-processing the signal. So here we show the constellation at 61.5 gigahertz. You'll notice it is very clean. We're also measuring the EVM, and the EVM is a very low 1.6%. And this is EVM at 61.56 gigahertz of our NN test setup. Additionally, we have another receive horn antenna. This is being fed into our 110 GHz UXA signal analyzer, where we can sweep the spectrum continuously from 3 Hz to 110 GHz. So to summarize, we're showing a very wideband mmWave testbed. We're showing very good performance over 4 GHz of bandwidth at 61.5 GHz bandwidth. This test setup is scalable, so we could be working at 57 to 64, 64 to 71, 71 to 76, and 81 to 86 gigahertz. And this testbed lends itself towards emerging mmWave applications such as 802.11ay and 5G NR. For more information, please contact Keysight Technologies. And with that, I'd like to thank you for your time today.